Here's a guide to installing a hardline gas connection to your round-crafted Lumacast fire feature. Here's the items that you'll need: safety gloves, crescent wrench, and an ignition wand. With at least 2 capable people applying correct lifting techniques, use the integrated handholds located around the fire feature's toe kick. Slightly lift and tilt your fire feature onto its side and gently lower to the ground. You can then gently roll the fire feature into position and lower the fire feature down so that the gas hardline is situated within the base. Some of our larger round fire features can weigh up to 500 pounds or roughly 227 kilograms. So please plan accordingly to have the proper number of capable people to safely move your fire feature. Slide the protective outer layers of plastic wrap and styrofoam up from the fire feature and remove. Going to the hardline gas valve, attach your gas line hose to the threaded connection, hand tighten the connection, and finish tightening with a crescent wrench. Then, locating your T-valve on your fire feature, connect the hose to one end of the threading, hand tightening it first, then finish tightening with a crescent wrench. Then with your second gas line hose, connect it to the other end of the T-valve. Hand tighten, then finish off tightening with a crescent wrench. Bring your fire burner system to the fire feature. Lower it so the hose can reach, and have a second person hold the tilted fire burner while the first attaches the gas hose, hand tightening it first, then finishing with a crescent wrench, being careful not to strip the threading. If your gas line is in the closed position, you can now fully open your gas line. Lower the connected burner system securely into place on your fire feature. To test the connection, locate the valve on your fire feature and insert your fire feature valve key. Using your ignition wand, ignite it on the closest fire burner nozzle to you. Then turn your valve key slowly counterclockwise, opening the flow of gas. You can now adjust your flame to the desired height. After the test, turn your valve key clockwise to close the flow of gas on your burner system. You are now ready to install your infill media and enjoy your Lumacast fire feature. If you have any further questions, please call us during normal business hours or email us at any time. Thanks for watching.